Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my top free websites where you can download sound effects for your videos. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just 100% free assets. Sound effects play a huge role in video editing. They add impact, emotion, and make your scenes come alive. From subtle clicks and swooshes to cinematic explosions and ambient sounds. So if you want to take your edits to the next level without spending a dime, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. 1. freesound.org. This is a massive, community-driven library full of user-uploaded sound effects from all over the world. You'll find everything from footsteps and door creaks to futuristic sci-fi sounds. Just be sure to check the license. Some clips may require attribution. 2nd, mixkit.co. Mixkit makes it super easy to find royalty-free sound effects that you can use in any project. No sign-up required, just browse, preview, and download. Perfect for editors who want quick and high-quality sounds. 3rd, Pixabay sound effects. If you already use Pixabay for photos or music, you'll love their sound effects section. Everything here is completely free, safe for commercial use, and requires no attribution. It's a great all-around resource for creators. And there you have it. 3 amazing free websites for downloading sound effects that can instantly boost the quality of your edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.